Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can back up Snapchat chats and recover chat history. So the first step that we can do to back up your Snapchat chats is accessing your Snapchat settings. So once you open your Snapchat app, as you can see on your profile, tap on the gear icon, which is the settings at the top right-hand corner of your screen. So here, as you can see on your settings, so before we back up, let's understand what gets saved. So Snapchat automatically backs up photos and videos that you save to memories. However, chats are a different story due to Snapchat privacy policy. But don't worry, there's a workaround which we'll get into. So here on your settings, all you need to do here is scroll down until you find memories. So tap on that. And here, as you can see, we have here memories is a personal collection of the snaps and stories you save, backed up by Snapchat. So here, make sure that you check this smart backup. So your memories may back up over mobile data when Wi-Fi is enabled. And as you can see, the save destinations, you're on save button, it will save into your memories and camera roll. And the auto save my story snaps is in memories. So make sure that you open or access these memories right here. So once you back up all your memories, here I'm going to show you how you can recover your chat history. So to do that, let's go back again to the main settings of your Snapchat application. So go back to Snapchat and then here find the My Data option. So here's where Snapchat keeps a record of your data, including chat history. So as you can see, data available for download, your account, your data, export a copy of the content in your Snapchat account to back it up under certain privacy laws. So as you can see, we have here, select data to include. So you can include HTML files, or you can just toggle on this include your memories, as you can see, and then check all the circles here, including the memory spotlight, chat history. Right, and then once done, tap on the next button at the bottom right hand corner, and here you can select you want to export data from this date range. And once done, just tap on the submit button. Right? So once you tap on the submit button, then Snapchat will email you a link to download your data archive. So while waiting your data link, let's talk about keeping your chat safe. So always ensure your memories are backed up before logging out or uninstalling Snapchat. And remember, saving messages in chats can help if you need to reference them later. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.